In this video, I'm going to show you how superalloy Al6xN solves serious corrosion problems and helps production facilities improve reliability and reduce downtime. In order to do that, we're going to take a look at how CSI helped one soup processing plant find a solution to their problem of corroded and leaking pipelines. Let's dive in. When maintenance engineers at a soup processing plant discovered leaks in their 316L pipes that had only been in service for 4 years, they were frustrated. Why would there be leaks after such a short amount of time in use? They turned to CSI to find out why. It turns out the plant was running highly corrosive ingredients at high temperatures through some of their process lines. To better diagnose the problem, CSI obtained a corroded reducer and T from the facility. After visual inspection, CSI sent these parts to an affiliate lab to determine the cause of corrosion failure. Test results from the lab found 4 issues with the parts that were causing them to leak. First, the test showed the chemical composition of the leaking parts. It revealed that the reducer was fabricated and welded using 316L, while the T was fabricated with a lower grade 304L and welded with 316L filler wire. While a lower grade steel, like 304L or 316L, work in many applications, it is less resistant to corrosion than more noble alloys. Another scan revealed groove corrosion in the weld metal, making it more susceptible to pitting, which are small holes in the metal that can eventually cause the pipe to crack. Pitting is difficult to predict and develop a design against its effects. This makes it a serious problem that needs an effective solution. An X-ray analysis also identified the presence of a well-known pitting and cracking agent to 300 series stainless steels, chloride. Lastly, microstructure evaluation exposed flaws that can be introduced during fabrication, welding, heat treating, and even coating. Corrosion pits were also present, and stress corrosion cracks from the welds were found to be caused by cold weld stresses during fabrication. With the results from the 4 tests, CSI confirmed that the pitting and cracking was caused by chlorides running through the process lines at high temperatures. This means that the proper metallurgical assessment of the process was not done, and the process lines were more susceptible to corrosion than the owner realized. The raw material didn't have enough of the chemical element molybdenum, which means they were not resistant enough to corrosion caused by chlorides and would continue to fail. The metallic element molybdenum is very important in helping stainless steels resist pitting corrosion in chloride environments. 316L stainless steel must include 2 to 3% molybdenum, and often this is not enough. To solve this problem, CSI recommended the plant use a more corrosion-resistant metal, Al6xN, on all their process lines handling high chloride solutions. Some lines needed no change. Al6xN is a super austenitic stainless steel alloy containing 6% molybdenum and more chromium and nickel compared to 300 series, which means it has a higher corrosion resistance than the 300 series metals the company was previously using. Making this change would extend the life of their system and reduce unplanned downtime. Corrosion resistance is an important consideration when designing a system from both an operational and financial standpoint. While 316L is cheaper up front, it may require frequent replacements. Every plant is different, and there's no way for us to know your costs when you have piping failures in your plant. However, the additional costs can add up quickly, surpassing the cost of simply replacing with a higher grade material in a relatively short time. By installing a more corrosion-resistant alloy, this soup processing plant can focus on more important things, such as product variety, innovation, safety, and cleanliness. The experts at Central States Industrial take corrosion seriously. Al6xN is available in all the product forms you need and is ready to ship today. If you'd like to learn more about Al6xN and how to reduce your downtime, please visit csidesigns.com or call us today to learn more.